You're watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. A night without electricity. Welcome back to my new video. Last night something unusual happened. At around 7 o'clock in the evening, the lights suddenly went out. There was no electricity in the whole neighborhood. Everything became dark. And quiet. At first, I was surprised. Then I looked outside the window. The street lights were off. The houses around us were dark too. It was a power outage. My younger brother got scared. He does not like the dark. I lit a candle and gave him a flashlight. He smiled a little. The warm yellow light from the candle made the room look calm and cozy. Without electricity, we could not use the TV, the fan, or the Wi-Fi. My mobile phone had low battery. So I turned it off to save power. My family decided to sit together in the living room. We all sit on the floor, cushions and snakes. My mother told us a story from her childhood. It was about a time when they also had no electricity for 2 days. We laughed at the funny parts and listened carefully to the serious parts. Then my father started playing a soft tune on his old guitar. We sang along. It was peaceful and simple, but very beautiful. Outside, the stars looked brighter than usual. Without the street lights, the night sky was full of stars. We even saw the moon clearly. My brother said it looked like a big silver plate. After some time, we played a few games like 20 questions and guess the sound. It was fun. I did not even miss the internet. Around 10:30 p.m., the light suddenly came back. The fan started spinning again. The TV turned on, but we did not rush back to hot rooms. We were enjoying the moment too much. That night, I learned something. Sometimes no electricity means more connection with family. No screens, no noise, just story, songs, and smiles. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video of mine will be very helpful for new English listeners. See you in the next video. Thank you.